Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to install mBlock. mBlock has many versions. We are going to install the version 3.4.1. There are newer versions than this version, but we have found that there is a bug in these versions which stops us from using the repeat function in mBlock. And hence we are going to use version 3.4.1. For that, use the link which is given to you and paste the link in the browser. It will take you to a Google Drive where we will download this. We will either use this button here to download or right click and select download. We will be asked unable to scan for file for viruses. We'll say download anyway. And in this corner, left hand side bottom corner, you will see the download happening. Once the download is finished, we'll click on this arrow and we'll go show in folder. So we'll get this file mBlock _win v3.4.1. We will double click the file, or you can right click and open. We will be asked, do you want to allow the following program from an unknown publisher to make changes to this computer? We'll say yes because we know the publisher. We'll say yes. Here again we'll say language as English. Okay. Then accept the agreement. Next. Here we'll click next, and then finally install. And it will start the installation. It will take 1 to 2 minutes for installation. The installation is finished, so click on finish, and now mBlock will open on its own. So this is how mBlock looks like when we open it. We'll get a window. There is a newer version. We don't want to download that, so we will click on download later. In our next video, we will get introduced to various functions of mBlock which will help us to use mBlock for robotics programming.